In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers into QuickBooks. Whether you're managing your own business or helping clients keep their finances in order, streamlining customer data into QuickBooks can save you a lot of time and effort. Now let's dive right in, starting from the very beginning. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select QuickBooks Online. This option is essential as it directs you to the right platform for your online accounting needs. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These include your username and password. Go ahead, type them in, and click Continue. This will grant you access to your QuickBooks dashboard, which is your main control panel for everything you need to manage your finances. Now you want to go to the Settings menu. You'll find this by clicking on the gear icon, typically located in the upper right section of your dashboard. Once you click on Settings, a menu appears with various options. From this menu, you want to find and click on Import Data. This is an extremely useful feature that allows you to bring in customer information from external files. Next, you'll see options for different types of records. For our purpose today, select customers from the list. By selecting this, you're specifying that you wish to import customer-related data into your system, which is critical for organizing your client information seamlessly. Once you've selected customers, click Import. This action prompts a window into which you can upload your CSV file. Click Browse to locate the CSV file on your computer that contains the customer data you wish to import. Ensure your file is formatted correctly with all necessary fields like customer name, contact information, and any other essential data. After selecting your file, the next step is to map out the data fields. QuickBooks will display the columns from your CSV file alongside columns in QuickBooks. Your job here is to match each field from your file with the corresponding field in QuickBooks. This step may take some time, but it's crucial for ensuring that all your data aligns correctly and is imported accurately. Finally, click on the Import button to start bringing your data into QuickBooks. Once you hit Import, QuickBooks processes the data, and your customer information will be updated accordingly. It's always a good idea to double check the accuracy of the import by reviewing a few entries. And there you have it, you've successfully imported customer data into QuickBooks. Simplifying data management helps keep your practices efficient and professional. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below.